Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve 64 squared in this fast and simple trick I just discovered. Follow me as I take you through. We take our first digit, which is 6, and square it. So when we square 6, we get 36. So we are going to put 36 on one side like this, and take the next digit, which is 4. 4 squared gives us 16. We combine it with the 36. And what do we do next? We multiply 6 by 4 and by the exponent. So we just do it this way. 6 times 4 giving us 24 times the exponent 2 giving us 48. So we write 48 under it and add a 0 at the end as we always do. And sum it all up. 6 plus 0 is 6. 8 plus 1 is 9. 6 plus 4 is 10. So we write 0 and bring 1 here. 3 plus 1 is 4. So we can clearly state that 64 squared is 4096. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and like. See you in the next one. Bye bye.